Ready to see my hotel room? ไปดูกัน Mini bar. I love this place. This looks so yummy. I can't believe it. There's 2 bathrooms. One here and one in the bedroom. I'm definitely gonna take a bubble bath tonight. My dad always wanted one of these. I give this place a 10 out of 10. This is the moment I have been waiting for. The bounce test. In 3, 2, 1, boing! Approved! Again, let's do it again! It's fun! 3, 4, 1. All of the kids should come here. Let's go check out the balcony! Come on! Whoa! I can see the swimming pool from my room. This is so fancy. I wish I drank coffee.